Hey there! Ever wondered how a few minutes of the right warm-up exercises can set the tone for a fantastic day? Well, today, we're diving into the secrets of the best morning warm-up routine that will leave you energized and ready to conquer anything. But before we jump into the exercises, let me ask you this. Have you ever experienced that sluggish feeling in the morning? I know I have. What if I told you that a few simple stretches could transform your mornings from groggy to glorious? Intrigued? Stick around. It's a crisp morning, and you've just rolled out of bed. We're going to guide you through a series of dynamic and rejuvenating warm-up exercises. These movements are not just about flexibility, they're about waking up your body, improving circulation, and getting your mind in gear for the day ahead. Vertical arms swings. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Swing your arms in a vertical motion, gradually increasing the intensity. Torso circles. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Rotate your torso in circular motions, warming up your spine. R circles. Extend your arms to the sides and make circular motions, both clockwise and counterclockwise. Iron cross. Stretch. Lie on your back, arms outstretched. Bring one leg across your body to the opposite hand, feeling a gentle stretch in your lower back and hips. Repeat on the other side. Lying bent. Lie on your back, knees bent. Move your knees in a figure 8 motion, engaging your core and loosening up your lower back. Seated wide, side adduction. Sit with your legs wide apart, toes pointing up. Gently lean from side to side, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs. Seated, shoulder flexor. Sit or stand with your back straight. Interlace your fingers, stretch your arms overhead, and feel the opening in your shoulders and chest. Adductor stretches. Sit with your legs spread wide. Lean forward, reaching towards one foot, then the other, for a deep inner thigh stretch. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back, grab the outer edges of your feet and draw your knees toward your armpits. And there you have it, a quick, invigorating morning routine to kickstart your day. Remember, the key is consistency. Thanks for joining us.